Scorpio woman belongs to no one. She is her own queen. A Scorpio woman doesn't chase. She doesn't beg. She doesn't wait for permission to shine. She rules her own world on her own terms. She belongs to no one, not a man, not society, not expectations. She is her own queen. Independent, fierce, and untouchable. She doesn't need a crown to prove her worth. Her presence alone demands respect. A Scorpio woman doesn't settle. She chooses. She chooses who is worthy of her time, her energy, her love. And if you fail to meet her standards, she will walk away without hesitation. She is not afraid to be alone because she knows her own power. She builds her own kingdom, makes her own rules, and controls her own destiny. She doesn't ask for love, she attracts it. She doesn't wait for opportunities, she creates them. You can admire her, you can desire her, but you can never own her. Because a Scorpio woman doesn't belong to anyone. She is her own force, her own legend, her own queen.